Hi children. So here under chapter 12 in this video, exercise number 2 we are going to see with bar graph. So here under bar graphs, drawing pictures in a pictograph takes time. That is, in the pictograph we saw some in the previous video, no? So in that, certain pictures we can able to draw to present the data. So it takes some time, no? To make it so easier, we can show the data in a colored box instead of drawing the symbols. Symbols is nothing but your pictures or images. So such kind of graph is called as bar graph. That is showing the data in colored box, no? That is what called as bar graph. Okay, so here if you see, the table gives the number of students in class 3A and their mode of transport to school. That is, students from their home to school they will travel, no? The mode of transport, how they are traveling is given here by cycle, school bus, cycle rickshaw and by walk. So how many number of students are coming by car and by bus, cycle rickshaw and by walk, they have given below. So this data is being shown in both pictograph and the bar graph. So let me just show you that. See, if you see, mode of transport used by students of class 3A. So this is called pictograph, which is being represented the data by picture. So here the data in the picture I showed, no? Number of students coming by car is 8 children. Number of students coming by school bus is 10. So if you see under car, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 number of children are coming by car. So here the hint is also given as a key. So one smiley picture is equal to one number of student. That is one picture you can calculate as a one student. So here the student which are coming by, who are coming by school bus is number of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The same data which is given in the question is represented in the pictograph and also by bar graph. So this is your bar graph. So you can see no boxes which is colored. So that is represented as a data. Okay. So here if you see mode of transport which is given the below, car, school bus, cycle, rickshaw, walk. So here if you see number of students, it starts from, actually it's here you can treat it as this point as 0, this point. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the number of students. Okay, so here the number of students which are traveling by car is 8. If you see here, the 8 pictures given, no? The same 8 is colored here. 8 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you see? School bus 10. If you see, compare, both are the different graph, pictograph and bar graph, but representing the same data. Okay, so let us see one sum in the exercise 2. So under exercise 2, study the graph and answer the question. So here the bar graph is given. With the bar graph information we are going to fill with the below questions. So number of children with different hobbies. So what are the hobbies which is given below? Stamp collecting, music, reading, computer games. So these are the hobbies, 4 hobbies they are given. So here if you see number of children, that is number of students who has the hobbies of stamp collecting, music, reading and computer games. Okay. So what are the questions they have asked us with given this data? First question is, which is the most popular hobby? So if you see, which is the box colored the most? If you see, compare all the 4 color boxes. This box is showing majority. Music. So the most popular hobby is music. So along with that, one more question they have asked. How many children have this hobby? How many number of students or children? Which shows here 10. See, the number is showing as 10. That means 10 number of children has this music as a hobby. So next question, which is the least popular hobby? Least means very less. Comparing with the all four, which is the very less colored boxes? This one, stamp collecting. So the least popular hobby is stamp collecting. Last question, which two hobbies are equally popular? Equally popular means equal. So if you see, compare which two are equally popular. If you see this green and this color, no, reading and computer game is equally colored. The boxes are equally colored, which shows number of children is 8. So which two hobbies are equally popular means reading and computer game. Okay, so hope you have understood with what is this pictograph and how to take the information from the pictograph and also from the bar graph. Okay, thank you children.